Hello, I'm Simon. Welcome back to the workshop. Now, this is going to be a very short video. I just want to show you how I'm taking this old, bent and not very good cabinet screwdriver, which I don't think I've ever used, and I'm going to convert it into a tool that I hope will be useful in the workshop. Now, if you look at this screwdriver, you can see that it's bent, rusty, and not really of any use at all. I'm going to start by cutting the blade off. Now, this edge and this edge here I'm going to take off so I end up with a curved profile around here. I'm then going to add a slope along here. Now, I'm not completely sure what one of these is called. I think it might be called a taper key, but it's not something that I have, and I've been struggling to get this Morse taper off of this chuck. I've tried everything, so I've resorted to making this taper key. Let's see if it works. Well, I didn't expect it to be that easy. Well, I spent ages trying to get this taper converter off of this Morse 1 taper. It was so well embedded, nothing would shift it. And I don't have a taper key. So converting this old cabinet screwdriver into something that I can now use and is actually useful in the workshop. You saw how easy it was to remove one taper from the other. I really don't know why I hadn't built this earlier. This is going to make my life with my little lathe so much better. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more like this, then please subscribe. It's completely free, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.